Hey everybody, Kevin here, and welcome to another Builder Die video. We're using the Speak and Spell Builder Die right now from our newest March release, and I've got all the parts laid out. And all you need to do is pick some colors of what you want your Speak and Spell to be. Like I've done here, I've gone with the traditional Speak and Spell colors. Then next up, you're gonna get them all cut out, super easy, and make sure to cut out a lot of buttons. And then we're just going to glue everything together. Now, a tip with the buttons, you can also put a strip of paper behind that little button panel if you want, and then just cut out some individual buttons to give them a little bit more height. But I decided to go ahead and cut out tons of little buttons. And of course, if you're watching, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon. So here you can see I'm just putting all my buttons in, and it's not exactly the Speak and Spell pattern, but it's pretty close. If you want to, just grab a reference image if you want to make it look exactly the same. But I thought it turned out pretty cute, and I gave it some additional details, so I think this would make a perfect addition to any card, and you can put the name or a sentiment up in that black screen. And here I've just added some details. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.